Hello YouTube, just making a quick video while I'm running some errands. Today was supposed to be the day that I put my Taurus in the shop and get the transmission done. I was going to have a transmission rebuild kit put in there, performance one, and a high stall torque converter. My high stall torque converter for the Taurus. This is a 2300 stall. Heavy duty performance transmission kit for the Taurus with heavy duty clutches and bands. This can handle up to 400 foot-pounds of torque. But today, just like every other day in the United States, something happens. The guy who's supposed to work on the transmission, he's a specialist in front-wheel drive performance rebuilds. Last week he caught COVID, and they gave him medication and told him to stay at home. And what happened was he got sicker. So they admitted him in the hospital, and right now he's on a ventilator, and it doesn't look good. So the transmission rebuild is on hold until further notice. Things like this don't mean much when someone's life's in danger. So I'm just putting I'm praying for him and his family that he pulls through. Until then, I'm going to be still doing work on marquees. I ordered some stuff, so as soon as they come in, we'll do some unboxing videos and install the stuff that I'm doing on the car. The transmission is still a go. I'm just going to have to wait and see if he gets better and can work again and wants to come back and work. If not, I'll have to search for another guy to do the work. It's not going to slow down the content on this channel. I'm going to still spit out stuff when I can. But I got a bunch of stuff coming in. So expect some videos coming soon. Until next video, I'll see you.